The Supreme Court establishment of the right to an ESL program in Lau versus Nichols was a very important development in the law for English learners and immigrant students and families. The federal court system also looked at the issue of what constitutes a legally sufficient ESL program. So just having the right to that program, of course, was not enough. It's important that the program be substantive and allow access to both content and learning English. The case of Castañeda versus Pickard, which also originally came out of the state of Texas, establishes a three-part test. And that three-part test is also found in U.S. Department of Education regulations which bind all districts that receive any federal funding. The Castañeda Court, which was a U.S. Court of Appeals, which is the step before the U.S. Supreme Court, established that three-part test in the following manner. It said that a district had to adopt a sound approach to the education of children who were English learners. It had to reasonably implement that approach, and then it had to monitor that the approach was working. That's a very straightforward set of tests which can be applied to any school district's ESL program. Since we have a lot of testing these days in public schools, it's not very difficult to determine whether or not a child is making progress in both English language proficiency as well as in the content curriculum.